Hello friends, welcome back to the Vinay Kumar show. I am your friend Vinay Kumar. In this video, we shall discuss question answer on John Galsworthy and his work. So without wasting our time, let's start. The first question is, the first volume of Galsworthy entitled From the Four Winds appeared in 1897 under the pseudonym option number A, John Gals, B. John St. John, C. Bodge, D. Elia. In this question, you have to tell pseudonym name. As we know that earlier Galsworthy used to write his novels under his pen name John St. John, and first four works which appeared by his pseudonym name were From the Four Winds, Jocelyn, Villa Robin, and A Man of Devon. Thus here answer will be John St. John. Option number B is correct. The next question is Galsworthy's first novel was published in 1898. Which novel? Jocelyn, Villa Robin, A Man of Devon, A Night, The Science. The first work which was appeared in 1897 was From the Four Winds, but it was a collection of short stories. The next year in 1898, Jocelyn appeared. It was a proper novel. So your answer A, Jocelyn is correct. Next, the first work that earned Galsworthy was the novel. Identify it. Fraternity, Country Mouse, The Island Pharisees, Jocelyn. It was The Island Pharisees when Galsworthy dropped his pseudonym name and started writing under his original name, John Galsworthy. The next question is, The Island Pharisees holds up a picture of wealthy class ruling. A. Over the poor class and fattening on them. B. Over the poor class and trying to make them rich. C. Over the rich class and fattening them. And D. None of these. In these four options, the first one is correct. The first one A is correct, over the poor class and fattening on them. Next, the first play that made Galsworthy famous as a playwright is Justice, Loyalties, The Silver Box, or none of these. It was The Silver Box which brought Galsworthy's name and fame. So option C is correct. The Silver Box. Galsworthy's reputation as a novelist was established by The Forsyte Saga, Justice, Jocelyn, or The Silver Box. Option number A, The Forsyte Saga. The Forsyte Saga published in 1922. It was trilogy and series of 3 novels, The Man of Property, In Chancery, and Too Late. Apart from these 3, there are 2 interludes also, Indian Summer of Foresight and Awakening. I am telling you all the details so that you can earn better understanding about Galsworthy and his work. The Foresight Saga includes The Man of Property 1906, In Chancery 1920, Too Late 1921, and 2 interludes. Find the interludes. A. Indian Winter of a Foresight Tales and Awakening. B. Indian Autumn of a Foresight Tales and Awakening. C. Indian Summer of a Foresight Tales and Awakening. Or D. None of these. As we have discussed in previous question about 2 interludes, these are Indian Summer of a Foresight Tales and second Awakening. So option number C is correct. Next question number is, literature is its own reward. Who said? Shaw, Ibsen, Wordsworth, or Galsworthy? Do you remember when Galsworthy refused the offer of knighthood in 1918, saying literature is its own reward? Here option D is correct. Means Galsworthy said literature is its own reward. Next question is, the year in which Galsworthy's father died was also the year of publication of The Island Pharisees. Find out the year. 1904, 1905, 1906, or 1907. Here you have to find out the year when the Island Pharisees was published, and in the same year his father died. It is 1904 when this novel was published. Correct. A turning point in the life of Galsworthy came in with the publication of The Man of Poverty, The Man of Property, Justice, none of these. The Man of Property is the correct option because it was the first novel of the Forsyte Saga trilogy. What did Galsworthy become in 1921? President of Literary Club, President of Pen Club London, Assistant in the Pen Club London, none of these. Answer is President of the Pen Club London. Pen means poet, playwright, essayist and novelist. What was conferred upon Galsworthy in 1929? Order of Demerit, Booker Prize, Order of Merit or none of these. Order of Merit was conferred upon him in 1929. Option C is correct. The first play of Galsworthy is The Silver Box, Justice, Loyalties, none of these. The Silver Box is the first play published in 1906. Strife deals with the conflict between the poor and the rich, the laborers and poor men, the capitalist and laborers, or none of these. So Strife deals with the conflict between the capitalist and laborers. Jack Barthwick appears in A. Justice, B. Fraternity, C. The Silver Box, or D. None of these. Jack Barthwick and Jim Jones are the main characters in The Silver Box. They are guilty of theft. Divided in 3 acts, this play, The Silver Box, contains social satire on unjust social partiality. Poor Jones appears in Justice, Fraternity, The Silver Box, none of these. Poor Jones appears in The Silver Box. Who is the leader of the laborers in Strife? Jack Barthwick, Falder, David Roberts, none of these. Leader of laborers is David Roberts, and on the other hand, chairman of the company is John Anthony. The next question is, Falder appears in A. Silver Box, B. Loyalties, C. Justice, D. None of these. Answer is Justice, published in 1910. Falder, 23 years old, appears in Justice. He is a junior office clerk who works in the office of James Howe and Sons. I would like to add one more thing, that Falder loves a married woman, Ruth Honeywell, and theme of the play is to bring reforms in the British system of justice. The play is about the judicial process and the broader relationship of punishment to crime. In Strife, the strike takes place at Trinartha Tin Plate Works, Thirtana Tin Plate Works, Thirtankar Tin Plate Works, or none of these. Option number A is correct. The strike takes place at Trinartha Tin Plate Works. Who suffers solitary confinement in Justice? Falder, Jack Barthwick, Ruth Honeywell, none of these. Option A is correct. Falder suffers solitary confinement in Justice. Colonel Hope appears in The Eldest Son, The Mob, Joy, none of these. Colonel Hope appears in Joy. Option number C, correct answer. In the play The Silver Box, Jack Barthwick steals a woman's sky blue velvet silk purse while John steals option number A, silver coins, B, silver box that has coins, C, silver cigarette box, or D, none of these. So here Jack Barthwick steals a woman's sky blue velvet silk purse and John steals a silver cigarette box. Who is the police inspector in The Silver Box? Snow, Coxon, Walter Howe, None of these. Snow is the police inspector in the silver box. Option number A. Option number A is correct. Which play is a study in racial pride and social convention? The Skin Game, The Mob, The Silver Box, Loyalties. Answer of this question is loyalties. Option D is correct answer. John Anthony is the chairman of the Trinartha Teen Plate Works, the Global India, the Teen International, none of these. The first one is correct. John Anthony is the chairman of the Trinartha Teen Plate Works. This character is from the play Strife, published in 1909. Galsworthy is the chief exponent of problem plays, romantic tales, adventurous tales, none of these. Galsworthy is the basically known as problem plays writer. Option A is correct. Which drama depicts the fight of an idealist against adverse social forces? The Mob, The Roof, The Skin Game, or Windows? Option A is correct. The Mob. Who belongs to the realist tradition of Jones and Pinero? Galsworthy, Shaw, Ibsen, none of these. So option A is correct. Galsworthy. Galsworthy belongs to the realist tradition of Jones and Pinero. Galsworthy's ideas on drama can be found in his collection of essays entitled The Ocean of Tranquility, The River of Tranquility, The Inn of Tranquility, or none of these. In previous video on Galsworthy, I have told you that Galsworthy's ideas on drama are found in The Inn of Tranquility. So, option number C is correct. Which play deals with the inequality of justice? The Silver Box, Strife, Justice, The Skin Game. Option number A, The Silver Box. Galsworthy's masterpiece is The Patrician, The Freelance, The Forsyte Saga, or Fraternity. So, The Forsyte Saga is the masterpiece. Option number C is correct. Awakening and A Modern Comedy are works of Milton, Shelley, Galsworthy, or Shakespeare. So, option number C is correct. Awakening and A Modern Comedy are the works of Galsworthy. Galsworthy's play Strife deals with the subject of A. Labor disputes, B. Justice, C. Wars, or D. Class distinction. So, A is correct, labor disputes. Next question is, justice shows problem of A. British society, B. English legal system, C. American legal system, or D. Scottish society. B is correct, English legal system. Justice shows problem of English legal system. Which play is an attack upon the press? The Show, The Skin Game, The Mob, or The Strife? So option number A is correct, The Show. The Show is an attack upon the press. Next, as a novelist, Galsworthy began his career at the age of 30, and his first book, From the Four Winds, was published under the name of A. Elia, B. John Alpha, C. Blair, or D. John St. John. Option number D is correct, John St. John. The first book, From the Four Winds, was published under the name of John St. John. In Strife, the conflict is between A. Capital and labor, B. Fair and black, C. High caste and low caste, or D. None of these. So, option number A is correct, capital and labor. The conflict is between capital and labor. In loyalties, the conflict is between different loyalties and the race prejudice, the black, traitors, or none of these. So, in loyalties, the conflict is between different loyalties and the race prejudice. Option number A is correct. Next, in justice, the conflict is between an individual and A. The physical forces. B. Political forces. C. Environmental forces. Or D. The social forces. So option number D is correct. The social forces. In justice, the conflict is between an individual and the social forces. Next question is, which of the following works is not one of the Galsworthy's plays? A. The Silver Box. B. The Silver Spoon. C. Strife. Or D. Justice. Option number B is correct. The Silver Box, Strife and Justice are plays, but The Silver Spoon is the novel, which was published in 1926. This question has been asked in 2011 also. Okay, next, which of the following writers did not win the Nobel Prize for Literature? James Joyce, W.B. Yeats, G.B. Shah, John Galsworthy. Correct option is A. James Joyce did not win the Nobel Prize. Except him, W.B. Yeats won Nobel Prize in 1923, G.B. Shah in 1925 and John Galsworthy in 1932. Okay. Which of the following does not belong to Galsworthy's three trilogy? A. The Man of Property. B. The Forsyte Saga. C. A Modern Comedy. D. The End of the Chapter. Correct option is A. The Man of Property. The Man of Property is not his trilogy. Three trilogies are the Forsyte Saga, which was published in 1922, A Modern Comedy, 1929, and The End of the Chapter, 1934. These trilogies are collectively known as the Forsyte Chronicles. Galsworthy met him in 1893 and formed a lifelong friendship with him. Identify him. A. Conrad. B. Hardy. C. Shaw. Or D. Ibsen. In 1893, Galsworthy met with Conrad and formed a lifelong friendship with him. Option number A is correct, Conrad. Next, which play of Galsworthy has the theme of the problem of unjust, unfair, and partial treatment meted out to the poor by the law governing the society? It clearly shows that there are two laws, one is meant for the rich and another for the poor. Option number A, justice. B, the silver box. C, loyalties. Or D, none of these. So option number B is correct, the silver box. Next, as a painter of the physical universe and of the soul, John Galsworthy is a poet. Whose comment is this? A. Compton Rickett. B. Louis Kajamian. C. Sampson. Or D. None of these. So option B is correct, Louis Kajamian. Louis Kajamian said, as a painter of the physical universe and of the soul, John Galsworthy is a poet. In Loyalties, Mabel is the wife of Dancy, Gilman, Falder, none of these. So in Loyalties, Mabel is the wife of Dancy. Option A is correct. Soames Forsyte, his wife Irene and Old Jolyon are the characters of A. The Forsyte Saga, B. The Forsyte Naga, C. The Forsyte Yaga, or D. The Forsyte Mega. So option A is correct, the Forsyte Saga. Next question is, Loyalties, I don't know, crisscross, we all cut each other's throats from the best of motives, is a dialogue in a play by A. Shakespeare's Macbeth, B. Galsworthy's Loyalties, C. Milton's Samson Agonists, D. Shaw's Candida. So option number B is correct, Galsworthy's Loyalties. Next, Galsworthy was the son of option number A, merchant, B, lawyer, C, novelist, or D, doctor. So option number B is correct, Galsworthy was the son of a lawyer. Forsyte Saga is said to be an English parallel to A. Thomas Mann's Buddenbrooks, B. Milton's Paradise Lost. C. Shakespeare's Hamlet. D. Sid's A Suitable Boy. So option A is correct. Thomas Man's Buddenbrooks. Thomas Man's Buddenbrook is parallel. That's all friends in this video. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you.